Small businesses denied by banks. Can't wait for slow bank approvals, payroll, inventory, opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below.
Hey, if you own a business and you need funding, but the banks are giving you the runaround, stop. I've got something better, faster, easier. And unlike most alternative lenders, we don't just offer one funding option. We get you access to over 20 of the top funding providers so that you always get the best deal. Let me guess. You need cash for your business, maybe to expand, maybe to cover payroll, maybe to take advantage of a big opportunity, some marketing campaign to scale your business. But when you go to the bank, they say, nope, sorry, just can't help you. They want collateral, they want 2 years in business, profitable 2 years, a perfect credit score, business plan. Then after all that, they still want you to wait 1 to 2 months for their decision. Meanwhile, your business needs funding now. So maybe you've already looked into alternative funding. Smart move. But here's the problem. Most alternative lenders only give you one offer, their own. And there's not one that's best for everybody. That means you're likely missing out on a better approval or a bigger offer or lower costs. That's where David Allen Capital and its Bank Breezy funding platform comes in. We're different. We launched this so we could get you not just one funding option, but we work with over 20 of the top alternative funders in the country. That means we do all the legwork for you so you don't have to waste time applying to over 20 places, but you get the best offer from over 20 places. Here's how it works. You fill out one simple 5-minute online application. You upload 3 months bank statements. That's it. We do a soft FICO credit score. We won't hurt your credit. Over 80% approval rate. Far better than banks, and you can have funding in 1 to 2 days, not 2 months. We can get you generally up to 2 times your monthly revenue, which equals more cash, which can be more growth for your business. So we compare those 20 plus lenders to get the best offer for you. Let's say you're doing $20,000 a month in sales, maybe we'll get you 15 to 40K. Doing 100, maybe we'll get you 80 to 200,000 deposited tomorrow. Now here's the real question. How much is waiting actually costing you? Every day you put off funding is another day that you delay hiring that extra worker, that sales team, expanding that marketing campaign, stocking up on that inventory, launching that new marketplace. All of those could bring you thousands more in sales. So how many opportunities are you leaving on the table because you don't have the funding to implement them? As you know, business is about speed and execution. And if you have opportunities to grow your profits, you need the capital to act on it now before your competitors do. We've already helped thousands of businesses just like yours. That's how we started this company, to help people like you with fast, flexible funding to scale your business. And we're confident that we can get you the best deal, that we put our money where our mouth is. See, we say this, if we can't beat all offers out there, we'll give you a $500 Visa gift card. That's how sure we are that we'll get you the best funding offer available. So here's all you need to do. Click the Apply Now button. Fill out that 5-minute application. Upload those 3 months bank statements. And let's see what you qualify for. It's free. There's no obligation, no excuses, just real funding for real businesses and really fast. Best offer for you. Big businesses have always had access to cash. Now you do too. So apply now, get funding, and let's start scaling your business today.
Because without them, we don't have capitalism. Without them, we don't have services in our town. Without them, we don't have restaurants, dry cleaners. We don't have roofing companies, drywallers. We don't have anybody to take care of the services we need. No one makes this microphone if someone doesn't start a business. No one makes a tripod on. No one starts a business. Zoom started as a small business. Everything starts small. Some make it and grow big. Our role is to amplify their opportunity, to amplify their ability, to give them funds when they can't get it from their bank, right? When they're out there doing the brave thing every day, doing that courageous thing every day, when they're out there doing it and they've got something to grow to the next level, or they're at a flat line and they got to bump their sales a little bit, when they're stuck in that place and they need some funds and they go to their bank and they can't get it. 90% of them can't get approved at their bank. They don't have the collateral, don't have the performance, don't have the profitability. That's where you and I come in. We're saving their day, right? That's where DAC serves the purpose, right? We can bring the alternative capital to those brave business owners. We help them go to the next level. We help them get through that pinch. Folks, the larger prepayment discounts is huge for people in the trades, because many of them don't need the money long term. They need it just until they're paid for doing the job. And they want to be able to pay it off early and not have to pay penalties like with a bank loan. With this, they get a discount to pay it off early, sometimes 100% discount where any of the interest. And it's got great education over here. This is a great, this was actually created for a bank manager. The details on the right, and then the clients love it too. So we kept that type of detail in the brochure. Higher approvals, lower repayment costs, lower prepayment or larger prepayment discounts when the bank can't help. We can, and of course, you can see the different pricing on the bottom left here. 2 years in business, core rate, they may only pay 1.15 to 1.25 times what they've got. If they're less than 2 years or they're not a core rate, they may pay 1.26 to 1.49. So the cost, though, is irrelevant. The benefit is what matters. We are selling outcomes. We're selling transformation. We're not selling money. We're selling transformation. Selling does not mean convincing. Selling means helping to cast a vision, helping them to see the value in a transition, in a transformation from breaking even to making a profit, to stuck to free, to growing slow to growing fast, to losing money to making money. That's what we're really doing. That's what we're doing. So if you know someone who has a job, but their job doesn't make enough to cover all their bills, and you could give them a part-time job in the evening where they could cover all their bills and then some, you're giving them a transformation into not being in debt every day, right? And income. That's what our funding can do for so many people. We've also got this little build your prospect list here. It's got all the type of companies that qualify. Look on the bottom there. Note, if they get paid to fix, build, install, or improve properties, they count, right? And there's a simple plan there. There's even a script in the middle. But look at that. That's kind of a memory jogger. Who do you know that's a plumber, electrician, HVAC, roofer, carpenter, general contractors, remodelers? How about flooring, cabinets, countertops? Have you told them about this yet? You have a reason to reach out. Just reaching out because I know you're in construction and we come alongside and help with funding. We got a funding special right now. Take a look at this and then let's talk. It can be that simple.